Public Service Days in Bloom. Every day is a blessing. Under the directive of Mayor Christy Angeles, we make each of them count by planting seeds of hope and inspiration through each act of service. Flag raising ceremony.
We should have God in our midst, not only during difficult and hard times, but even in good times. Every single thing you do, dapat naaalala niyo ang Panginoon. And you will see, you will always be guided on what you need to do.
Angel Love for All. People's Day. Kasalan at Barangay San Isidro.
Sa ating mga ikakasal, naway ang pagmamahalan nyo ay maging sandigan ng bawat isa sa inyong paglalakbay sa buhay mag-asawa. Makinig kayo sa isa't isa. Kailangan pinakikinggan ang ibinubulong ng inyong mga puso. Mangarap na magkasama at matutong makinig sa hinaing ng bawat isa.
Angel Care at Barangay Trinidad.
Walang problemang mabigat na hindi nasusolusyonan kung tayong lahat ay nagtutulungan. Tama? At kung tayong lahat ay nagtutulungan, bawat problema ay gumagaan at ating nasusolusyonan.
Celebration of Faith and Culture. Pamanusbong, Tarlac City's Grand Santa Cruzan.
Kinikilala po ito ng City Government of Tarlac ang kahalagahan ng tradisyon na ito upang lalo tayong mamulat sa ganda ng ating kultura at sa kahalagahan ng ating debosyon at pananampalataya sa ating mahal na Birhen.
Spreading love and support in the communities. Operation Smile. Free operation for cleft lip and palate.
Mayor, thank you po sa bigay niyong tulong para sa anak ko na ma-opera ang kanyang tangtay para po paglaki po niya ay hindi na po siya mahirapang magsalita at magbulol-bol para din po hindi po siya mabuli po paglaki po niya.
Community-based monitoring system implementation orientation. Committee meeting on pambansang pabahay ni BBM. Awarding of financial aid to informal settler families. GrabTrike app launch. Guardians of Public Health. Free medicines from Angel Care Pharmacy. Free vaccines for animal bites. Free dialysis treatment. Empowering our farmers. Basic co-op training for farmers. Livestock school on goat enterprise management. Preparation for the distribution of free fertilizers for local farmers. Seed bed preparation for mechanical transplanter. Angel's Touch in Public Service. Mid-year bonus releasing to qualified CGT employees. Local and special recruitment activity. City Social Welfare and Development Street Beggar Rescue. Mass anti-rabies vaccination at Barangays Bora and Mapalakshaw. Records Management and Archiving. City Human Resources Management Office. General Repairs and Maintenance Activities. Road Safety and Traffic Management. Our shared purpose sparks an unwavering dedication to better the lives of our people. As the days lie ahead, we shall continue to give the Tarlaceños a one-of-a-kind service in full bloom. Magkaisa! Bawat oras, sama-sama!